How to fix Face ID not working on your iPhone. So if you're trying to unlock your iPhone screen and the Face ID is just not working, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is just come around to the front of your iPhone and you'll see this camera lens right at the top of the screen. Now what you need to do is just go and grab a cloth and make sure this is free from any dirt or debris. Sometimes the iPhone screen itself can get a bit dirty and it causes the Face ID not to work properly. Now, if you have a screen protector on your phone, this can be another reason why the Face ID is not working. Now, once you've done this, if you're still having an issue, then we're just going to load up the settings on our phone. You can then scroll all the way down this page and select Face ID and passcode. Now go and enter the passcode to your iPhone. Scroll all the way down to Reset Face ID and select this. You can then click on the option to set up Face ID, and you'll just need to go through the steps in order to reactivate your Face ID. Now, if it's still not working, the final solution is just to go and power cycle the device. Now, you can do that by tapping the volume up button, the volume down button, and then you need to hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. So let's go and do this together now. We're going to tap the volume up, tap the volume down, and then just hold the lock screen button down. After about 10 seconds, your screen will go completely black. Just continue to hold this button down. After about 15 more seconds, you should see the Apple logo appear. That's when you can go in, release this button. Your iPhone will then restart and your Face ID should now be working.